Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to divide numbers in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Excel? You can find Excel in Microsoft Store. Launch Microsoft Store and search for Excel, and after doing that, follow through the on-screen prompt to download Excel. After downloading, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to divide numbers in Excel. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be focusing on the O to Q. Okay, doesn't look like it's working. Okay, so I have the O to Q. I'm going to focus on this O to Q columns. So over here now where you have this, I'm going to change this to the slash because the asterisk sign indicates multiplication. So I don't want to do multiplication. I want to do division. I want to divide these numbers. So I have this A, and under this A column, we have 10, 64, and I also have this number. And under B, I have these numbers, and I just want to divide them. That's this A slash B. So this is the first cell. That's this row that's under P, that's going to be P3. So in this P3 row, I'm just going to take it to this Q cell here where I can now make my calculation. So I want to calculate this. I want to divide O3 and P3. So that's 10 divided by 2. So O3 and P3. So I'm going to see what that's going to give me. So I'm going to use the command for Excel to get this done, and that's going to start with the equal sign. So go ahead and type in the equal sign. This tells Excel that you want to perform an automatic function. You want them to help you do something automatically. All right, so after putting that equal sign, I'm going to type in O3. So this is O and 3. So that's O3. As you can see, this has been highlighted already. And I'm going to use the / option, which represents division in Excel. Then I'm going to type in P3. So that's it, right? So that's O3 divided by P3. So just punch the enter button and you have your response, which is 5. So this is 5. That's 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now you may want to, now that you have gotten it, as you can see how very easy it is, you may want to repeat the same manual process. Just equals, then you enter the cell number, division, the other cell number, and then you may want to repeat the same process manually. But Excel says no, you don't have to go through that process. You can do that automatically from here. Once you've already entered the command in the first cell or in the first step, you can now drag it down to order, and it's just going to get your answer automatically for you. What do I mean? So in this first cell, this is my answer cell. So just take it to the bottom right corner until you get this plus icon. And once you get that plus icon, draw it down to the cell that you want it to be. So this is the last cell for this calculation, and just leave it. And once you release it, you see that everything has been divided for you automatically. So you don't have to go through the step that you use in getting the first answer. You don't have to repeat it for the others. Just drag it down and you're going to get your automatic responses. So this is pretty much how you can divide numbers in Excel. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.